Hello, grade 10 students. Let's get prepared for our writing lesson today, part 1. I need you all to prepare your student books, page 106 and 107. Let's get started. The objectives of the day are: identify key information in a given prompt after underlining key words, analyze a prompt about genetically modified food to answer questions in terms of features and layout. Finally, apply understanding of topic sentences to choose the most suitable one. Let's begin our lesson with exercise A, page 106. We have 4 questions and we are going to try to answer them together. The first question: what types of fruit and vegetables are produced in your country? Now this one is easy and most of you already know the answer. How about the next question? Do you know anything about the methods that are used to produce them? What are these methods? Number 3. What difficulties do farmers face in your country due to climate conditions? This one is easy as well. Finally, what do you know about hydroponics? Pause the video, try to look up the information, and let's check your answers. Let's brainstorm the answers. First of all, the types of fruit and vegetables. They can easily be dates, which is very famous here in Qatar, and potatoes. How about the methods? We can say the normal method of planting and what are these called? Yes, greenhouses. Well done. And the difficulties? Yes, of course, the hot weather and the water shortage. Finally, hydroponics. Pause, look it up, and try to figure out the answer. I want you to take a look on these pictures and try to guess what are these pictures about. Pause, try to focus, and look through the pictures. There is something interesting going on here. These pictures are about hydroponics. Let's see what is the meaning of it. Hydroponics, it is a method of growing plants, usually crops, without soil. So if you can pause and look at the pictures here, they are growing plants but without using any soil. Instead, they are using mineral nutrient solutions in an aqueous solvent. Now let's move on to exercise B. You are going to read the writing task and underline the key words. Then you will answer the question. First of all, your teacher has asked you to write an essay on the following topic. Let's look at the topic. Some people think that using hydroponics to grow fruit and vegetables is a good way to maintain a regular supply of fresh food. What is your opinion? So, you are asked to do what? To discuss advantages and disadvantages? Or to present your ideas and arguments and give your opinion? Or to express your opinion and give advice? Pause, look at the 3 options and make a choice. And the answer is present your ideas and arguments and give your opinion. Well done, everyone. Now let's move on to exercise C, page 106. We will read through and answer the 4 given questions. I need you all to pause the video for 5 minutes, read through the text, and try to highlight the most important or the hard words that you do not understand. Look it up in the dictionary and try to figure out the meaning. We will work on the questions one by one. Question 1. What is the function of the sentences underlined in the essay? Look at the sentences and try to figure out, is it to introduce the main idea of the paragraph or to summarize what the writer has said in the previous paragraph? Pause the video for 2 minutes and try to figure out the function of the sentences. Let's check your answers. The answer is A, to introduce the main idea of the paragraph. Well done. Let's focus on the first paragraph for now. Look at the underlined sentence. What is it about? What does it represent? It is about introduce the topic. Well done. How about the other underlined sentence? Is considered an effective way to provide people with the fresh fruit and vegetables. This is an opinion. So let's put it together. The first paragraph, it's about introducing the topic and clearly stating your opinion. Now let's look at question 2. What does the writer do in paragraph 2? I want you to pause the video for a few minutes, read the paragraph and try to decide. Is it about describing the types of plants that can be grown in hydroponic farming, or to explain why food can be grown all year round in hydroponic farming? Pause, read through the paragraph and try to figure out the answer. And the answer is B. Well done. But we're not done yet. Let's try to find out what is paragraph 2 about. So I want you to pause the video, read the paragraph one more time, and try to figure out. Let's analyze it together. We will start with first of all. So when we are using first of all, we are listing. So let's look at the sentences that are underlined with red. What are these sentences about? Pause, read them, and try to figure out. They are reasons. Well done, everyone. How about the green sentences? Let's look at them, read them, and try to figure out. Let's look at the keyword. We have here, this is clearly useful. What else? As a result. So here we are giving examples. Paragraph 2 is about the first viewpoint and the reasons or the examples, because we started with listing and we gave examples. So the second paragraph, you are giving your first viewpoint and you're providing reasons or examples. Let's look at question 3. What does the writer do in paragraph 3? So I want you to pause the video, read the paragraph, and try to figure out. Does he explain how hydroponics uses less water than conventional farming? Or he gives examples on why plants grow more quickly in a greenhouse environment? Pause, read, and make a choice. Let's check your answers. The answer is A. He is explaining how hydroponics uses less water than conventional farming. Well done, everyone. We're not done yet. We're going to do the same. What is paragraph 3 about? So I want you to pause and try to figure out what is it about. Let's analyze it together, starting with another reason. In the previous slide, we began with first of all. Now we are listing another reason. Let's look at the underlined sentences and try to figure out what are these sentences about. The answer is they are reasons. Well done, everyone. Now let's look at the other sentences underlined with the green. Pause, read, and figure out. They are examples. Well done. So, paragraph 3 is about the second viewpoint and reasons or examples. Well done, everyone. Let's look at question 4. What does the writer do in the conclusion of the essay? Does he restate opinion or he makes a future prediction? Pause, read the final paragraph, and make a choice. The answer is, well done, he's restating opinion. Now, what is paragraph 4 about? Pause, read through it, and try to figure out. Let's analyze it together. The writer began with, in my opinion. So the sentence underlined with red is about the writer's opinion. Well done, everyone. And let's look at the other underlined sentence with green color. It is about, it's giving you a summary. So the final paragraph is restating opinion and a well-balanced summary. Now let's recall together what is the outline of writing an opinion essay. For the first paragraph, we are going to introduce the topic and clearly state your opinion. In the second paragraph, we are going to give the first viewpoint and reasons or examples. The same for paragraph 3, we're going to give a second viewpoint and reasons or examples. And finally, paragraph 4, we are going to restate opinion and give a well-balanced summary. Let's look at exercise D. Read the note and the paragraph below about organic farming. This is the paragraph you're going to read. Then you will choose the most suitable topic sentence from A to C and you will give reasons for your choice. Now, before you begin, let's look at the meaning of topic sentences. The sentences that introduces the central idea of a paragraph is called a topic sentence. This is usually the first sentence in the paragraph. The other sentences develop the idea expressed in the topic sentence by expanding on it or giving examples or explaining it. So, topic sentence means that it is the central idea and usually it comes as the first sentence in the paragraph. Now pause, read the paragraph, and make a choice. Let's brainstorm your answers. The answer is C. To begin with, consuming organic food is considered to be safer and better than consuming non-organic food. Well done, everyone. Now it's your turn. Write a short summary of the text, Growing Plants Using Hydroponics. I want you to write a summary and share your summary with your class on Teams and give your opinion about their summary. This is it for the day. Thank you.